time for Vlogmas. It is the 1st of December. In Greece we say Kalomina, which means have a happy month. I'm going to show you different things. I'm going to show you the advent calendar I'm opening. I've got 2. I'm going to show you my Christmas tree a little bit. But if I want to do a Christmas decor video, so I won't show you. You can see it here. This is my Christmas tree. Let me just show you a bit so you know what it looks like. I can give you like details if you want to know. Let me know in the description box. But I already said I'm going to film a Christmas video. So let's start with advent calendar. So advent calendar number 1. I got the number 7 advent calendar from Boots. And day 1 is here. It looks really pretty on inside. Look. I really like it. So let's go with number 1. Let's see how this is going to work. Yep. Ooh, full size. Full size of what? Let's see. What is this? So, skin illuminator. Natural looking radiance for a beautiful glow. Woohoo! And it is hypoallergic. What does it say? So, it's a naturally added radiant glow. Use this lightweight illuminator in 1 or 3 ways. So as a primer, mixed in with your foundation, lightly applied as a highlighter. Okay, cool. So that's advent calendar number 1. So that's the first one. Let's move on to my second advent calendar. Okay, now the second one was a gift. So it's 24 days of beauty. It's another advent calendar. It looks really pretty. And the first day is this one. See, there's number 1. Let's open it. Hang on, I'm going to pause. Oh, so this is cool. It's an interchangeable compact. So you put your little your eyeshadows in here and you travel around. So that's cool. So those are the 2 things I got from my advent calendar. I also have a dairy milk one. So I'm going to open that later. So, okay, let me show you some other stuff around the house I want to. All right, so we have a little bit of a grocery haul. If you've never tried this, you really need to try it. It's a chai latte. I stopped drinking coffee a while ago, and that's what I drink. It smells very cinnamony. So if you like cinnamon, you're going to really like this. Now, okra. Have you ever used okra? I love okra in food. Like with chicken and tomato sauce and potatoes. Yummy. Really nice. Found them at M&S. I got some tomatoes. I got these. I'm going to send these to my sister in Greece. These are the Kipling orange and chocolate little cakes. Oh, they're delicious. They're really nice. And I got these because I'm going to make a soup today with noodles. So I got these noodles. They are choy men. What are chow men? I don't know how to say that. So, yeah, they're quite soft. So, let's see how that works. Now I'm going to make myself a nice cup of chai with my mug, which I got from Home Base a while ago. Home Bargains. And, yeah, it's going to be good. Okie dokie. These chunky green vegetables I got from M&S, a stock. It says that these need to boil for about 3 minutes. And then I'm going to put the noodles in it. And that's going to be my soup. I'm going to put some seasoning in. I don't know. It depends. A little bit of salt and stuff like that. And a little bit of tomato. Just a teeny bit of tomato. And yeah, that's going to be my soup for the day. And my recipe. Yummy. Do you like soups? Can you link down below any of your favorite soup recipes? That would be great. Anyway, let's move on to this vlog, which is probably going to be random. To the shops and returned a few things I got and bought some Christmas presents. I'm going to show you what I got for my niece and my sister. I'm going to send a little package. So if my sister's watching, turn it off. Not everything is my sister. So I got these slippers, $3.99 from the Shoe Zone. So then I got for my sister from Boots, number 7, 2 lip glosses. They were $8.50 but 20% off. I got her some socks, again 20% off, you know, the cozy socks. I got some flower bombs. What are these called? Bath flowers. Yeah, bath flowers. And they were £5, 20% off. Boots has 20% off at the moment. Then I went to Primark and bought them some gingerbread box that has chocolate cookies in it, and it's really nice. It looks pretty, look. Nice. And then I got my niece a unicorn onesie. Here's the top. It's gonna be so cute. And it's flannelly, furry, fluffy on the inside. And I also got her a headband. And I've bought her some stickers and all that. So she's going to be excited. Just a little package. I'm going to send her stuff later on. But this is the first little Christmas idea. Christmas flavor taster. Anyway, yeah. So this is the first installment of my Vlogmas. I hope I can keep up to it. I'm going to go to Edinburgh soon, so I'll vlog that. And I'm going to show you what York is like during the Christmas holidays. There are 2 giveaways going on my channel. One is for some of the items in the glossy box I haven't used. And another one is a sticker planner video giveaway. So I'll try to link them at the end of the video so you can watch them if you want. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. No, don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Now, my Vlogmas is going to have normal content and vlogs. So I'll see you later. Bye.